to episode 174 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at a bearish flag trade setup. A bearish flag trade setup is a continuation move. So market would have dropped, and now we're looking for place to enter into this trend to the downside. So let's go on to the charts and look at what a bearish flag looks like and when to enter the trade based on this trade setup. Here we are looking at a bearish flag trade setup. This is pound CAD 1 hour chart. A bearish flag trade setup is a continuation pattern, and it's a bearish continuation pattern. So we're looking for a downtrend move, this is what we have here. Then the price starts to go sideways after it has dropped. In this case, this first drop here forms the pole of our flag, and the sideways consolidation here forms the flag part. What we are looking for here is a continuation to the downside. So we need to see a close below our flag, which would suggest that price is going to move lower. Once we see the bearish candle close below the flag, we can enter the trade short. I generally like to look for a bit of a pullback, just like here, and we would enter the trade short. Our stop would go on the other side of the flag, just in case price decides to come test the level again. As we see here, price did go back into our consolidation area before it moved further down. So it's a good idea for us to place the stop on the other side because this can happen. So we stay in our trade as the price is moving lower. And once we get to the bottom here into our support area, which is also our pivot point, S2 area, we see that the price gives us a bullish candlestick here. This is a good place for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 85 pips in the trade. So just to recap, a bearish flag trade setup is a continuation pattern to the downside. It's a bearish continuation pattern, and we are looking for price to move lower after the initial drop. So here we see price has dropped. Now it consolidates sideways, and we are looking for price to close below this consolidation, our flag area. Once we get a good candle close below the consolidation, we look for a bit of a pullback and enter the trade short. Our stop would go on the other side of the flag because sometimes the price can pull back into the consolidation area. Once we enter the trade, we stay with the trade as it moves lower. And once it gets into our next support and resistance area, which is also our pivot point S2 area, and we get a reversal signal here, which is our bullish candle, we exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 85 pips in our trade. So our profit is 85 pips or $850 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this episode, please feel free to subscribe, like the video, and share with your friends. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.